Ah. You want to put it in your mouth? Good coughing. Tasty butter. Don't drop it on the floor. I don't want you to have another temper tantrum. Put it back in the plate. No, nice burp. Good one. Good one. What, honey? Did you hear your brother? I don't know what he said, honey. Don't worry, I'm just putting it in the plate. Relax, it's still there. Hold on, see? Don't get upset. The toys didn't go away. Yeah, there it is. Oh, that's my spoon, my fork. What are you gonna do with my fork? No fork? Can I have the fork then? Can I have the fork? You have to open your hand so I can have the fork. Give me that, thank you. Oh yeah, you got the pasta. What are you gonna do with that pasta? No what?
David, I'll give you $1 if you be quiet.
Nope. I didn't think so. What you got? You got pasta and spaghetti. Yeah. Your Grandma Maya would be proud. You're Italian, as your grandpa would say, huh? No? No? Grandpa, you taking after Grandpa Lisa's side of the family? No, those aren't lentils. Oh, Mommy being mean. What? No. No lentils? Oh, I agree.